Hey everyone, we're here with Mishka and Laika, and we got a package today from Nylabone. Hey Trev, you want to open it up?
Yes.
Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Look at all this stuff. Wow, Nylabone, thanks a lot.
Chicken bread.
Some rawhide chews.
Ooh.
Some bones. Let's see the bones.
Chicken flavor and peanut butter flavor.
Nice.
We got a chewy toy. We got some more.
Shampoo.
We got some more
Wow, it's like
bones.
Christmas. Look, our tree's still up.
Got more bones.
It's still Christmas, huh?
We got some little.
The tree's up, and we got more presents.
We got dog chews, chicken. Then we have a brush, a new brush, right here.
Sweet.
Another bone.
Wow, look at this haul.
Another
Wow,
chew
girls,
toy
you're
and
lucky.
another bone.
Sweet. Look at all this stuff. Whoa. Wow, Mishka. Is that all for you? Laika, do you see? Check it out. Wow, what do you guys want? What do you want? What do you guys want? There's a bone. Alright, so let's go for some bones.
Do you want a bacon bone? Yes, she wants bacon. Okay, let's open it.
Hook her up with a bacon bone.
Oh.
Alright, now Mishka gets a bone.
Mishka, do you want this one? Yes, okay. Let's take this one.
There you go, Mish. Enjoy.
Go eat your treat.
Thanks, Nylabone.
Subscribe.